we have for you is called Dark and Stormy Night. We have our dear Victor, who is going to play the narrator for the story that our other Darwins are going to act out, follow along, help out with your narration. Yes, that is Vicky's butt crack. It's making its return, ladies and gentlemen. So, basically, I'm going to need a suggestion from you for the title of the story that Vicky is going to be narrating. Something Halloween-y, why not, right? Anything. Spiders in the bathtub. Spiders in the bathtub. That sounds like a wonderful title for this story. So this is Dark and Stormy Night. Your suggestion is Spiders in the Bathtub. Clap it up.
I'd like you to join me on an adventure. And it seems a musical adventure. Our story begins here. Spiders were everywhere. In the bathroom. I feel like this is better. John Locke was sitting one day reading the toilet newspaper that was in the toilet room, and he heard a rather odd sound. He knew that wasn't from him. And began to question out loud what it could be. All of a sudden, from the depths of the toilet, out from under John Locke appeared a massive spider. The spider looked at John and said,
"Sup, bitch?"
John opened his fanny pack, pulled out.
Come on, bitch! What did I pull out?
No, let's delete this. Okay. Starting, okay, no, alright. Alright, okay. John Locke was at the supermarket, washing his hands in the fruit trays, and a beautiful woman appeared. John Locke noticed her and approached her.
You gotta feel if they're firm or not.
And then out from nowhere appeared a large spider. John Locke hid behind the woman because he was a pussy. That's your own fault. Delete. John Locke put himself in front of the woman to save her.
You're really gonna save that?
And then the spider and the woman fought it out.
Well, John Locke just stood here and,
John Locke counted his bananas.